Welcome back to Investing with Rachel. We're here today at our next flip project in Daphne, Alabama. If you are looking to get into the investing and real estate world, learning how to flip homes, buying rental properties, I hope you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I take you week by week by week to all my flip projects for the past 2.5 years. So this is our newest project. Found this property on the MLS back in the Lake Forest Subdivision where I like to flip here in Daphne, Alabama. So come on in. We are not even week 1 and we are in the demo phase, as you can say, like highly under construction. Home was the 1970s, so we had a lot of the dark paneling, wood trim, so we got a lot of work cut out for us. This one I'm gonna be a little bit more faster on just because the real estate prime market is about to take off. That's why I always say, guys, hook up with a local realtor in your market. They can literally take all the guessing out of it. They could recommend contractors who to use, a staging company who to use, and they know what's working material-wise for properties in your market. So as you see here, we have that old wood paneling. This is one of the bedrooms downstairs. So what we're gonna do is just sheetrock, get it modernized, put all new flooring throughout the downstairs, either that luxury vinyl flooring or the laminate, get all new baseboards. Because of the numbers for this property, we're going to just paint all the casings white, do all the trim white, and we're gonna get new slabs for the doors. Also, all the hardware, all the doorknobs, we'll get that changed out to the black finish is what I like. This house was wallpaper. I mean, this whole house, 1970s, I mean, wallpaper everywhere you go. So that is it's gonna take us at least 2-3 weeks to even get this house painted, because once I took the wallpaper down, as you see now, there's patching to do. What I loved about this house was the living room. Loved the fireplace, great accent, focal room. Going to leave everything about this, and it's gonna look really good when I get this staged, because now I've been leaning on a stager as the final touch just to get the home sold faster, because in this real estate market, there's more inventory, there's more competition, we have new construction. So I try to just, set the bar a little bit higher for us now. All these air conditionings, vents, what we do is take them off, contractor sprays them white, cleans them and puts them back up. We'll change all the light fixtures throughout this property. Also, this house has 2 primary bedrooms, one's downstairs. So what we're gonna do here is gonna go with that same flooring as we do in the living space. I don't like chopped up different flooring. I feel like one flooring makes the space look bigger and just more updated. So we'll put that flooring down here, change out the door hardware, get the new slabs, paint all this trim white, and get new light fixture. I mean, and it just brightens the house up and modernizes it right away. There's also a primary bathroom here. There's a lot of construction in there. So what we're gonna do there is just take out, it's a shower tub combo, take that out, do a walk-in custom tile shower, do a new vanity, and just give it a little bit more pop and updating. The exterior of this home, fortunately enough, because this never happens, is great. Like, the previous owner really took great care of the exterior, and it's updated, it's like more freshly painted. So there's not a lot to do on the exterior. There's great curb appeal here. All right, as we come in here, we're just going to do the one flooring throughout, paint all the trim, the white, change out the light fixtures. The kitchen is an absolute disaster, so we won't be going in the kitchen. There's construction, you can't walk through it. So the kitchen, again, we're gonna do the granite countertops, paint the cabinets because they're also that dark brown. The stainless steel appliances are new and they're there. So we're gonna paint the cabinets, do the new hard fixtures, and then do also the granite backsplash as well in the kitchen. And hopefully by next week, some of the demo will be cleaned out and won't be a trip hazard. We have this half bath downstairs, and I don't really know why. These vanities are super low. Like, I'm short, this is super short. So we're more than likely gonna rip this out, but I love that these 2 fixtures are here. It'll be great to add 2 new fixtures to it. All this stuff, gonzo. Toilet paper holder, towel holders, all go. Again, white trim, change out the door, change out the trim. I mean, as you could see, we already have demo week 1, a dump trailer full in the front. All right, so upstairs, we have another 3 bedrooms. So I really like that this house was a 5 bedroom. So we're more than likely gonna then recarpet the upstairs, put that vinyl or laminate flooring throughout the hallways here, carpet the bedrooms, change out the light fixtures, change the flooring, change the doors, all the hardware, doorknobs, order that in bulk on Amazon. Paint's gonna go a long way in this house. Let's just say that. Painting's gonna go a long way. Here's your second primary bedroom with a full bathroom. Same thing, consistently. Brown, paint the trim. I'll be glad when this house is painted because it's giving me a lot of agita with all this brown. And then also in these bedrooms, there was a lot of cork boards. That 2 of the bedrooms had the cork boards. I remember when I was younger, I had a cork board wall too. So here's the cork board, ripped down. We'll paint this, put a new light fixture in, or that one actually is salvageable. Paint all the air conditioning returns. And then as you see, like all those light fixtures are like that off-white almond color. So we'll go back and change this all to white. It's an easy fix, but it makes the house, you know, more updated. All right, same thing here with this bedroom. We'll sheetrock it, fix the sheetrock, paint it, all the trim will be white, and it will be night and day. We have another outdated bathroom here. There's a lot of square footage here. I mean, it's over 2,500 square feet, so it takes more time because there's a lot more spaces that need touched. We got carpet here in this bathroom. Not sure why we did that. Another low vanity. So we'll probably just rip out this whole thing. If we don't, because of numbers, we'll repaint this and put that granite down. But all this towel hardware, all that stuff, gotta go. Toilets go. It's a lot. This one's a little overwhelming. All right, guys, I've taken you week by week. We're at our next flip project here in Daphne, Alabama. Hopefully we could get this one turned around in the next 60 to 90 days because prime real estate market is here and we kind of don't want to miss that. So if you need any help, my contact information is below. Love the questions that I get, love helping new investors, and stay tuned for next week.